Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airtable views for smarter tracking and reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the base you want to work on. Locate the table you wish to set up views for. Click on the Views button in the upper left corner of your table. Select Create a new view from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of view you want, such as grid, calendar, Kanban, or gallery. If you selected grid view, you can start by customizing the fields displayed. Click on the Hide Fields option to remove any unnecessary columns. Adjust the order of the remaining fields by dragging them to your desired position. To filter information, click on the Filter option. Add a filter condition to focus on specific data, like active projects or overdue tasks. You can also sort your records by selecting the Sort option. Choose a field to sort by and specify whether it should be ascending or descending. To create a calendar view, repeat the process and select Calendar from the View options. Select a date field to display your records on the calendar. For Kanban views, choose the Kanban option and select a specific field for grouping records. This will allow you to manage tasks or projects visually. To set up a gallery view, click on Gallery and choose an image field for the front of the cards. Customize card settings to highlight important information. Utilize the group feature to further organize your views effectively. You can also share specific views with collaborators by clicking the Share button. Remember to save your views regularly to avoid losing changes. Explore different view configurations to enhance your tracking and reporting capabilities. Utilize these customized views to gain insights and make informed decisions. Regularly revisit your views as your project or data needs evolve. This flexible approach makes Airtable a powerful tool for tracking and reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.